Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, we're talking about getting started with graphic design for beginners. Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your skills, this video will provide you with some simple tips and tricks for creating stunning graphics. Tip number 1. Know your purpose. Before you start designing, it's important to know what you want to achieve with your graphics. Whether it's to promote a brand, convey a message, or simply to make something visually appealing, having a clear purpose in mind will guide your design choices and help you create more effective graphics. Tip number 2. Choose the right tools. There are a multitude of graphic design tools available, ranging from free and basic programs like Canva, to more advanced software like Adobe Illustrator. Choose a tool that fits your needs and level of experience. For beginners, Canva is a great place to start as it's user-friendly and has a lot of templates and resources to help you get started. Tip number 3. Get inspiration from others. Looking at other designers' work can be a great source of inspiration and help you understand what works and what doesn't. Try to find designers whose style you admire and see how they approach different design challenges. Tip number 4. Experiment with colors. Colors play a big role in graphic design and can have a huge impact on how your graphics are perceived. Experiment with different color combinations and see what works best for your purposes. You can also use color psychology to guide your choices and evoke certain emotions in your audience. Tip number 5. Keep it simple. When it comes to graphic design, less is often more. Avoid clutter and distractions and focus on creating a clean and simple design that effectively conveys your message. These are just a few tips to help you get started with graphic design. Remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get. Have fun, be creative, and don't be afraid to try new things. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content.